Hi.
You guys
are back.
We have another indoor activity. We're going to be playing basketball. You want to explain exactly what we're doing?
Yeah, well, we got a few variety of games we're going to play. We're going to start with a little like pig, horse, but we're going to play the game I. Make it shorter for you. After that, we're going to get into a shootout game. Lightning. No knockout, though. We don't want to knock things out. And finally, we're going to end with a great basketball game. The Warriors versus the Bucks. He's the Bucks, I'm the Warriors. Anyway, we're going to get started with the I. Mike's going to shoot first. And if he makes it, then I have to make it from wherever he made it. If I do, I get to keep playing. If I don't,
then the game is over.
Because we only have a letter one, I.
Okay?
Here, let's go, Mike.
Yeah. So just remember, we're not going to be slam dunking at all. Just find a spot, of course, that you can see the bucket or the basket, whatever you're using. So I'm going to begin. My first shot. No banking is allowed. You got to make it straight in.
Oh, thanks.
I hit the roof.
There I go.
Shoot wherever you want.
I know. Oh, right here. Right from that spot.
All right. This could be game over.
Oh,
ties
well,
are-
since you made it, I can still go shoot from wherever I want. Try this side. Short.
Shoot from the side.
Nice shot. It's going to be a tough one to deal with. Oh, golly gee. Well, I got the letter I, and since we're only playing to I, well, I lose instead of I win. Now we're going to move to a little shootout. Mike, you want to be the honor first?
Yeah. I'll give you your own ball. Here, a couple more.
Extras just in case right here.
Just in case if the basket's too high or you can't reach it, always bring extra socks just in case you lose one or you can't get to it. So we're going to begin. We're going to be over the lights here. This will be our designated spot. This will be our free throw. After you miss or we'll say if you make it, you go back to the end of the line. And the goal, of course, is to get the person in front of you out by making your shot before they did. So here we go.
Nice shot. Oh. Oh, we're not too bad, Mike.
Oh, so far so good.
Leaner. You get a good workout of this game. Oh, no.
Oh, let's see if I can make it.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Anyway, since we're only playing with two, he knocked me out. So we're going to move on to my favorite game, the real game of basketball. In basketball, triple threat. Get the ball, you can dribble it, pass it, shoot it. Once you stop dribbling, which is like this, you got to pass it or shoot it. No one to pass to, so shoot it. Game on, dude. Your ball.
Game on. Here we go. Well, then one other thing. Please remember, no slam dunks. We're using the edge of the carpet, so we can't actually shoot it anywhere closer. So we got to be behind that area. Here we go. And then other than that, remember, no goaltending.
Hey, we're going to play the two. First to two baskets. 1 point each.
Oh, I missed.
Rebound. Clear it past the line.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, got the rebound.
Ooh.
Oh, I hit the roof.
Oh! I think that's enough, Mike, just to get an idea what the game's like. Woo. You get a quick little workout with that one.
Exactly.
Hope you enjoyed our basketball games. See you then.
Have a good day. Bye.